Hi friends, I am Ankit and today we will talk on how to reissue same mobile number of your lost phone. Friends, this is one of the biggest problem which everyone face when our mobile phone gets stolen or misplaced. As we receive lot of important calls on our mobile number, it's very important to reissue our mobile number as early as possible. So these are the number of things which we need to reissue our mobile number. First, we need to block our mobile number immediately when our mobile phone gets stolen or misplaced. Second, we need to file a complaint to our local police station about mobile lost or stolen. Third, we need to contact office of our network provider like Voda or Airtel to reissue our same mobile number along with following documents. First, copy of police complaint. Second, ID proof of person on which number was issued. Third, recent photo of person on which number was issued. So after completing the process, you will be given new SIM card of same phone number, and it will take some time depending on your network provider to start number on the new SIM card. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.